Today we are in Cadillac. We kick off the ORV Scenic Trail right here at the Coyote Crossing Resort because you can stay here, which is amazing. They've got a bar and a restaurant, live music. There's tons to do. And the trail is right over there. The crew at Greater North Power Sports and Rental set me up with an ORV today, and he's just doing a quick safety check before I get out on the trails. This map is really well done, and I wanted to show you a close-up because our first stop today is at the Boone Country Store.
And I obviously have a map, but what's awesome about this trail is, like, if you're not used to the spot, these are everywhere, right? So it shows that we're here, and I want to go left, so we know that we need to go down that way. We're at our first official stop, just gonna grab something to drink and get back on this. There is an overlook that I want to check out. Our second stop for the day is the Cabernet Overlook, and you got to see this thing. All right, back on the trail.
It seems our time on the Cadillac Scenic Trail is coming to an end as we head back to the Coyote Crossing Resort.
You can tell we had fun today.
And before I head home, it's time to enjoy a well-deserved beer. Till our next adventure, friends. And if you want to get on the trails, as I know you do, get the map and more info at ridecadillac.com.